And it's really hard to find speakers for these things that are relevant and not, terribly, we'll call it, educational from just a university where, some professor thought it was a good idea to do, and it's really not very relevant or interesting to anything that industry is actually doing. Anytime you can get a presenter who's actually going to, give you some info on formulation and solve problems that you're dealing with that particular day, it's unique.
Good afternoon. My name's Jared Hammond. I'm the Senior QC Chemist at Southern Chemical and Textiles. I've been here about 2 years. My job is to, basically kind of oversee the lab, kind of make sure that daily production stays together. I'm also involved in a lot of synthesis projects, scale up, other development work. We have a new product and a new molecule we're looking at. It's a sodium cocoamphohydroxypropyl sulfonate. We call it Sulfoteric CS is our trade name. It's an amphoteric sulfonate. It's very renewable and has a lot of really interesting properties. So we're just kind of trying to present it where we've found places in the market for this product and some of its really cool features. The audience is going to be formulators for people who are making consumer products. And they're always interested in finding new products and being able to increase, their renewable ingredients in their products. So we are trying to present a place in the market so that they can, get those wheels turning, and maybe someone will take our product and find something new that we hadn't even thought of, and it'll, change the game for us and the whole market.
I'm Sheldon Scott, and I am the South Carolina chapter treasurer. We hold this event. It's a Naturally Kiawah Symposium. It's all about advancing the science of cosmetic science to everybody. And like today, we had a CEP course we offered to people, and then starting tonight, we do the cocktail hour, and then tomorrow is a full day of educational seminars. So we have One Love Organics, we have Burt's Bees and Clorox. We have people that flew all the way in from the West Coast to attend. So we have people from John Paul Mitchell. We have Dr. Paracombe is here, or one of the chief scientific people from Dr. Paracombe. And then we have people more locally. There is a big trend. I mean, in the surfactant area, that's one key category we're looking at for this presentations and the seminar is the removal, trying to get away from betanes or things that people feel are not as environmentally friendly. So we have companies like SCT that are coming in and presenting on what's new, what they're working on that are so much more environmentally friendly.
My name's Jonathan Faith. I'm their Southern Regional Sales Manager. Been with SCT now for 10 years, primarily serving customers in the Southeast as well as the Midwest down to Texas. Currently here at Kiawah, Naturally Kiawah Symposium. So we have Jared Hammond that's going to be delivering a speech on amphoteric surfactants.
Well, I'm excited for Jared because I think this is a great opportunity for him to get out there and see how the industry works, see how these things work, and really start to make a name for himself. And what better way to do it than to present something like this in a scientific way to his peers. It's important for SCT to constantly be evolving as the market changes and staying ahead of that as best we can with new and innovative products. And sometimes that's going back and looking at technologies that maybe have been employed in the past but are either not in use currently or and going through and finding new uses for them. And that's essentially what the Sulfonate CS is an older technology that we've kind of gone back and revisited, and we feel like we've got some unique benefits to it.
Yeah, it's, I'm always looking for ways to grow, and this is definitely a new experience, and gives me the opportunity to have to gather that data, put it into an understandable format, and then figure out a way to communicate that. I'm excited to get up there and share the data. I think we do have a lot of exciting data, and hopefully it's useful for the formulators. I think it will be.
The first of which is from Jared Hammond of Southern Chemical and Textiles. Jared has spent his career in over-the-counter and personal care industries. At SCT, he's a Senior QC Chemist focused on process improvement and raw material sourcing. So Jared, take it away.
Thank you. All right, good afternoon. Like you said, I'm Jared Hammond, Senior QC Chemist at SCT. Today I'm going to be talking about amphoteric sulfonates. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about